Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Alex here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get and set up this OneTap crack. It's not an actual crack. We remade it, so it's a remake of the OneTap, but just a little bit updated and all that. This is what it looks like, the DLL and the injector. This is undetected right now as I speak. It's 6 o'clock in the morning. I haven't slept yet, so I'm going to be a little sloppy, boys. But what you want to do is go to my shop, and you want to buy this CSGO cheat DLL undetected. This will give you pretty much all of this right here. This is, you'll get all this. And so when you get this, what you want to do is, usually when you buy this product, it will send you a link, and it will bring you straight to this link. If you cannot download the config, then just comment below and I'll give you guys the config for free. But yeah, you're just gonna want to download this, and then you'll get this folder. Make sure you have WinRAR as well, so you can extract the folder onto your desktop. And then when you get this, a lot of people have trouble putting the config in. So what you want to do is, you want to go to your file explorer, and you want to go to your C drive, and you want to click Program Files 86, and then you want to scroll down to when you see Steam, click Steam, and then you want to go to Steam Apps, and then go to Common, and then Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and then you just want to copy your config onto this area right here, and then you'll be set. And then what you want to do after that is, you want to load the game, which we're going to do right now. We're going to load the game, and I'm going to show you guys what else you guys can do or have to do to make this hack work, and this injector to work. It's actually pretty easy. It's undetected right now, no VAC ban. You can get Overwatch banned, but you can't get VAC banned, so it's pretty sick. We're going to load into the game, and I'm going to show you guys how to work this. One tip is to not inject this cheat when you're in game. Only do it in lobby, so because it makes the game crash. So go to File Explorer, go here, go to your injector. You want to load the injector. You'll get a Discord link. You guys want to download that. And what you want to do is, you want to click this and go to CSGO. You want to get Counter-Strike Global Offensive, and then you want to add your DLL, which we have right here. And we want to inject. You guys will get an injector. It will be like this. What you want to do is, you want to click the command thing right here. This console, we need this console, so let me fix this. You need the console because usually it bugs like it just bugged like a second ago. You're gonna have to reload it. But right here, you need to enable the developer console, because it's part of the hack pretty much, and you guys can't do anything. But right now this is bugged. But what it would look like is, let's see, maybe we can reload the game real quick. Maybe reload in this. What you guys want to do is, usually sometimes it will bug out. Make sure to have your developer console out, and maybe it will work. Sometimes it will bug out, so you always have to restart your PC. That's what happens to me all the time. So it's the best thing is just to try to relaunch it or reset your PC. So just go to CSGO, select, go to Counter-Strike, and then you want to go to add your DLL, and then you want to inject. Hopefully it injects. Okay, I will come back after I'm done fixing this. For some reason this is bugging. It's been bugging for me, but it's legit, like it works. I've done it before. I have people that bought this product before, so it works. I just have to figure it out. Give me a sec, boys. I'll be back in a sec. Okay guys, we're back. I finally fixed the problem. What the problem was is that, for some reason for me, my game usually is been really fucking buggy for some reason. So I had to make a new account, and I had to, set up a whole entire thing. Like, I just had to remake an account, and then I automatically. So what I did, I automatically turned on. Let's see. I automatically, when I got to game, I automatically went to the settings and clicked the developer console. I clicked it on so it would run properly. And then what you guys want to do is pretty much press insert. And when you press insert, it's going to be blank because you need to open the developer console. And yeah, pretty much that's pretty much it. So this is the whole entire menu. There's a lot of stuff on it. The config that I have in the comments or not, the description below for the link where you can buy like the cheat. This is the config that you get when buying the cheat. It's the rage config, and what you want to do is load that. And you pretty much, it changes everything. And after you do that, you just close out of this, and then you go to practice with bots. So you can go on comp or casual or whatever, and you pretty much can hack. And it's undetected for VAC. Overwatch, it is detected, but I mean Overwatch is pretty much even if you hack, it will get banned no matter what. So Overwatch for sure, but VAC, no way. There's no way you'll get banned. And if you get VAC banned, comment below. I'll try to fix something about it. But yeah, this is a 100% remade, cracked version of, like, this is the real version, but just fixed. But yeah, pretty much if you guys did enjoy this video, comment below. But clicking insert, you guys can open the menu and all that, and you can do anything. I just usually use the rage bot. And it's not good with a deagle. It's not good with a deagle, guys. Just so you guys know. It's not good with the deagle. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, comment below and like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.